Welcome, guys. So we'll be talking about standard prefixes now. Now, what does standard prefixes means? Standard prefixes simply means, or let's say standard prefixes can be classified into submultiples and multiples. So we can express the metric unit in a larger number of multiples of 10, and we can also express the metric unit in a smaller number of submultiples of 10. Now, we have the standard prefixes. Let's talk about the submultiples. The first one is tensor minus 1. That one is deci. Tensor minus 2, centi. Tensor minus 3, milli. Tensor minus 6, micro. Tensor minus 9, nano. Tensor minus 12, pico. Tensor minus 15, femto. Tensor minus 18, atto. Tensor minus 21, zepto. Tensor minus 24, yocto. We also have the multiples of 10. The first one we are going to start with is 10 raised power 0, that is units, because 10 raised power 0 is 1. So 10 raised power 0 is units, 10 raised power 1 is deca, 10 raised power 2 is hecto, 10 raised power 3 is kilo, 10 raised power 6 is mega, 10 raised power 9 is giga, 10 raised power 12 is tera, 10 raised power 15 is peta, 10 raised power 18 is exa, 10 raised power 21 is zeta, and 10 raised power 24 is what? Iota. Then you have to note, guys, that 60 seconds make 1 minute, 16 minutes make 1 hour. I hope everybody knows that. So 3,600 seconds make 1 what? Hour also. Now, you also have to know that 1 mile is equals to 1.609 kilometer. 1 feet is equals to 3.05 meter. And also, if you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply by 1,000 over 3,600 meter per second. And also, if you want to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, just multiply by 3,600 over 1,000 kilometer per hour. So that is that, guide. Now let's look at some examples. Guys, the first example we'll be looking at is conversion of 20 centimeter to meter. Just write number 1, 20 centimeter to meter. Guys, do not forget that from your standard prefixes, centi simply means 10 raised to power minus 2. So this simply means that you can write this as 20 centimeter. Since this centi represents 10 to the power minus 2, then this can be equals to 20 times 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. This 10 to the power minus 2 represents what? Centi. Then the final answer is equals to 0.2 meter. So this conversion is by using the idea of what? Standard prefixes. Also, this simply now means that if you are to convert centimeter to meter, you can just multiply by what? 10 raised to power minus 2. Also, you have to know something. It is either you multiply by 10 to the power minus 2 or you divide by 100. Which is 10 to the power 2. It is either you multiply by 10 to the power minus 2 or you divide by what? 100. So guys, this simply means that if to convert centimeter to meter, we have to multiply by 10 to the power minus 2, then to convert meter to centimeter will just be the what? The reverse. So 0.2 meter to centimeter. Are you there? This will just be 0.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. So, you know, when we are converting centimeter to meter, the idea we are using is multiplication of 10 to the power minus 2. So, the reverse process will be done for meter to centimeter. So, if you want to convert 0.2 meter to centimeter, you are going to multiply by what? 10 raised to power 2. And your answer will be what? 20 centimeter. This is by using the idea of what? Standard prefixes in your what? Conversion. Let's look at example 3. We have to convert 20 millimeter to meter. Also, you can write it as 20 millimeter. So do not forget this milli under standard prefixes, it represents 10 raised to power minus 3. So this can be 20 times 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. And this is equal 0.02 meter. So this simply means that if I want to convert millimeter to meter, I can multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. So if I now want to do 0.02 meter to millimeter, if I want to convert meter to millimeter, then I can just multiply by 10 raised to power 3. The inverse of that, so this will be equals to 0.02 meter times 10 raised to power 3. Then we are going to get The answer will be 20 millimeter. So this, I should put millimeter here. So guys, this simply means that if I want to convert millimeter to meter, I can multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. But if I now want to convert meter to millimeter, I can just multiply by what? 10 raised to power 3 in order to get my what? Millimeter. Okay guys, let's look at the third one. The fifth question. Convert 2 kilometer to meter. Remember that you can write it as 2 kilometer. And do not forget, this kilo simply represents 10 raised to power 3, which is 1000, right? So kilo represents 10 raised to power 3 from your standard prefixes we've talked about. So this will just turns to 2 times 10 raised to power 3 meter, and this is equals to 2000 meter. This simply means that in order to convert kilometer to meter, multiply by what? 10 raised to power 3. Okay, and finally, if you are to convert 2000 meter, okay, we have to convert 0.002 meter to kilometer. 0.002 meter to kilometer. Guys, permit me to change this question to, let's say, 2000 meter to kilometer. So let's say we have to convert 2000 meter to kilometer. So do not forget that if you are converting kilometer to meter, you have to multiply by 10 raised to power 3, which is 1000. So if you now want to convert meter back to kilometer, it will also be multiplying by what? 10 raised to power minus 3. So this will equals 2000 times 10 raised to power minus 3. And the final answer will be what? 2. We will write kilometer here, and the final answer is what? 2 kilometer. This idea is the idea of using what? Standard prefixes in your what? Conversion. For number 7, we are to convert 30 kilometer per hour to meter per second. Just write 30 kilometer per hour to meter per second. That equals, whenever you are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply by 1000 over 3600. So this would be 30 times 1000 over 3600. So guys, this gives 8.33 meter per second. Also, let's say you are to convert 8.33 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Also remember that whenever you are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, meter per seconds to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply by what? 3600 over what? 1000. So this would be written as 8.33 meter per second. 8.33 times 3600 over 1000 kilometer per hour. And the final answer would be what? 30 kilometer per hour. The example 2 is convert the speed of a car moving at 50 miles per hour into kilometer per hour and meter per second. Guys, write solution. Firstly, you have to know that 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometer. So guys, since we have to firstly convert 50 miles per hour to kilometer per hour, also you have to remember that 1 mile is equals to 1.609 kilometer. So this simply means that 50 miles per hour would equals 50 times 1.609 kilometer per hour. So it is as if you are converting mile to what? Kilometer, because they are both in what? Per hour. So if you want to convert 50 miles to kilometer, you have to multiply by what? 1.609 kilometer. This is because 1 mile is equals to what? 1.609 kilometer. And this equals 80.45 kilometer per hour. So we will then convert this 80.45 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 80.45 kilometer per hour would equals. Now, whenever you are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply by 1000 over 3600. So this equals 80.45 kilometer, 80.45 times 1000 over 3600 meter per second, and you will got 22.35 meter per second. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share these videos to your loved ones. Thank you.